Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a product in the AliExpress application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then just click on this search bar and then just search for whatever you want. And as you can see, here you will find a bunch of results. So now you can just find the one that you like the most. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.